take off all 10 or the 2 front tires. More. All right, the next thing to do, this pin up here, take your hand, you might have to take the brake pad and push those pistons right back. All right, we'll be right back. Now this one, we're going to be changing the rotors as well, so we need to remove the caliper now. It's off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're ready to put our rotor on, but before, screw them in by a couple threads just to make sure they're not cross-threaded. We see how the clip goes on this side into the, and you want to get that slid down in there, and that clip, it sure did. And I'm gonna push those in like that, okay? And at the same time, stick that in there just like that. Do is get your screwdrivers.
But you said you were going to show us a different method.